What's up, everybody? So in today's video, we're gonna be cutting this Halloween costume belt apart. It came with my kid's costume this year, and it doesn't really function as it should as far as closing. So I figured knock out a quick video, show you guys, how we cut it apart, what we do to fix it, and how we put it back together. So yeah, let's get to it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to peel this back and slowly take my razor and kind of nip away at these little threads here. I don't know if you guys can see all that. There we go. All right, so normally for this part here, you would take like an oblong hole punch and just cut like an oblong hole, but I don't have that. So I'm gonna take just a regular hole punch, and I'm gonna punch 2 holes on either side of this and then connect in the center, or cut straight lines in the center. I might even just go one more. So you can kind of see there, now when we fold it over, it'll have some wiggle room to actually lay all the way flat. So it should, after it's all stitched up, look something like that. I'm pretty sure that's about where we want it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of all this thread. I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to see all that, and I'll show you basically me punching holes. right, guys. So yeah, that was quick, super quick repair. Oblong the hole so that way this will sit in there right. This has a little bit of movement. Glued and stitched this back here. Not my best stitching, but it'll hold for this cheap leather. Go ahead and run this through. It's got a little keeper. And yeah, that one actually looks halfway decent. So I just want to say thanks again for taking the time to watch my videos. And also thanks for subscribing if you have. If you haven't, please consider. As always, I'll see you in the next one.